One more thing that YouTube is doing, they're implementing voice input on the web, not just on the mobile app. So now you can use nothing but your voice in order to search things, in order to speak commands at your computer screen and not just at your smartphone. You just hit the mic button next to the search bar, enables the microphone. You will have to grant it permission the first time that you use it. You can pause and resume the mic by pressing the big mic button. It's actually pretty smart. It understands natural language commands, such as
I don't think this will work.
Play cat videos.
Hello? No,
you don't have a microphone on that.
Yeah, it doesn't have a mic. What am I doing here?
Play cat videos. That works. And it can also be used to navigate the YouTube interface. You can ask it to show you your subscriptions, your watch history, and your library. So that's a nice little touch, nice little voice input.